Hey, another under 20 Tuesday coming at ya. Alright, so we're doing a picture. This is of he is currently 12, and he was like a monkey when he was younger. He is almost 6 feet tall at this point, so his monkeyness has kind of come to an end. I think he's understanding he can hurt himself now. So anyway, this is all from my stash. Just a 6x6 paper pad. These all came from the same 6x6. This came from that paper pad I used on that last one, because I thought the blue went well with the black background. This piece came from this ephemera pack that I have no markings on, so I can't tell you what it is, but when you see it, I'm sure you know what it is by looking at it. But I don't want to use the date and time because these two pictures are from different days, probably even different years. This was at our house in the front yard because the door is right here, and obviously it's a basketball goal, and I turned around and there he was. This one was at my mom's house, their nana's house, in the backyard. They used to have a swing set there. So anyway, I did pull out, like, my title's gonna be Stay Wild, and that's from this Dear Lizzie set here from Tuesday morning. Move those out of the way. Probably should go ahead and trim these all down. I got my light in a weird spot today, so not sure how that's gonna work just yet. I don't know if I want those owls on there or not. Because when I bring out the 6x6, I like to use the whole paper. And I remember seeing somebody do like a stair-stepped like this. Maybe I'll use a little more orange. And then matte it in this, maybe? Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, I think I'll do the border a little bit bigger. How did I get that crooked? Like, is that just, it's just what I do. That's all there is to it. Ain't no who's or what's about it. I just can't get right. Anyway. No. You know what? I don't know why I stopped putting adhesive on that first off. What I think I will do, you know what? I should have thought this through a little more. Alright, we're gonna wing it. I'm gonna cut this down just a smidge here and there. Maybe a smidge more. Okay, then smidging it. I think I'm gonna bring it to this corner here though. Get it off my fingers. just because I kind of want to see this where it's like starbursting there. Then we'll bring you on it. Oh, you know what I didn't think about? Where I'm going to put this monkey at. Got to get the tearing in there a little bit. Am I right? Yeah. Now, I need to mat it with something else because... Where'd that come from? Anywho. Let's see. Sorry if that is... Yeah, we'll mat it in this. I like having this metallic color here. Paper. Sorry, is that too glimmery there? Now you might be thinking, why is she putting this upside down? But he was upside down in the photo, as you can tell. I hope you can tell. The seat right there. Yeah. Okay, and I think we shall pop this up. Okay. Is that down? That's not down. Let's put that down. And then we can embellish. Sorry. Now, ooh. Don't go too far out. Just a smidge. Put this little monkey down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Flip it around, dipstick. Literally just got done talking about why we had him upside down. Alright, now, I did go through my, we need to figure out where we want our title at. Nope. I like it. Okay. Okay, I don't know where I was going with that. This is from the Pink Fresh one I have sitting here, Boys Sport. And then this Carpe Diem one, the Reset Girl. I picked out a few pieces that I thought I could have matted it with this. Shuckin'. Oh well. Oh, you know what? I think I want it up here. Man, I really need to get a new... whatever that thing's called. Stopper. I think I'm going to layer it over the picture just a bit. Okay, so I got these out of that warehouse box that I purchased. Oh, you know what? Just a little quick tip for this packaging. I will mark off Stay Wild because now I've used it. So that's, now I know what I have left. If you have ever thought to yourself, geez, I wish I had a system for this, mark it off. This, I was wondering if I could, I can't fit that in, I don't think. I woke up awesome, just sounds like something he would say. Boys Rule's gonna be too big. I really liked okay, because it's like kind of something I would have said, like, okay, this is what we're doing now? Alright. So, I swore I had more, but okay. Anywho, let's see. Oh, that would be cute. I wake up awesome and do amazing things. That'd be kinda cute. I don't know. I don't know if I want that down there. I don't know. I'm feeling very indecisive today. These were just some little sprinkly bits. Don't like it. Move out. Camera. Not liking it. Sorry, gotta go. Alright, well, I thought I'd get some of those used, but I didn't think so. Okay. Should we commit? I think so. Don't think I'm gonna put any string through those because I really just don't think I can fit anything in there. All right. Toss down seriously. Right here. Here. Come on, get in there. Now. What do we have in here? Nope. That brown fit there? No. Moving on. Next. Oh, that's what I was looking for. My cameras. Mi cameritos. Oh yeah. Perfection. Click. Nope. I'm almost done with those. Oh yeah. Nah, I don't like those. Uh-oh. Get back on there. Ooh, should we break out the old wood veneer box? Yes, I agree. I agree. Oh, let's see here. Hey, don't go falling. Ephemera packs are totally in the way, dude. I love all my wood ephemera. Oh, there we go. Oh. Stay wild. and Wake Up Awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. I need a smaller guy. Here's a baby guy. I know I'm running up on time here. Got to go. Come on, little fella. Okay. Gotta have 3 because that's the number. Oh, stars. Yes, please. I don't know why I didn't put a dot on there. Get on there. Thank you, sir. Good day, sir. I don't know where I got that from. That's off some movie. I feel like there need to be 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So, I feel like there needs to be 7. Number of completion. Know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Let's put a big one up there. All right, how are we feeling? Amazing. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now, last time I did a little border, it did not show up a whole lot, but it showed up just enough. So, I'm doing it again because it's my scrapbooking page. And I can doodly border if I want to. Boy, you just never know how dirty your desk is till you run your hand over it like that. Sorry. Okay. That's it, guys. Under 20 minutes. Not too bad. It's a boy layout. Not frilly. I think it's alright. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. Ooh-wee. I might be tearing some stuff up, but that's cool. It's cool. Alright. Well, I hope you guys had a great time. And I'll see you for Wedding Album Wednesday. Bye.